On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about your pets, taking care of them, specifically food. All right, but before we jump into that, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, now's a great time to do it. Just click the little red button down there, and then when the notification bell pops up, click on it so you get notified every time I post one of these videos. All righty? So, food for your pets. First off, I want to start off with that most dry pet foods has a short shelf life because they have the oils and the fats in them and stuff, so it goes rancid fairly quickly. That's why canned dog food lasts a lot longer. Now, some of you are going to go, "Oh my goodness, the expense of canned dog food is just phenomenal," or cat food, whatever type canned food, pet you have that you got to be buying canned food for. Well, you don't have to buy canned food. You can make canned food as well. Now, sometimes if you hunt around right, you can find the canned food at the store on sale, and you can stock up on some of those. But just like making canned food for yourself, whether it's like a chili or a beef stew or whatever it is that you can do the same thing for your pets. There are some great channels out there that'll talk to you about how to do it. Rebel Canners has talked about it, and on the Rebel Canners Facebook page, there's always someone talking about making canned pet food. All right, so make sure you take care of your pets as well as yourself. All right. And with that, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps water, food, medicines, all the other things you need. Why? Well, this is why.